Welcome back students in EVS first class. Okay, now today's our topic is clothes. Where we wear. Open page number 59. Which page number? 59, chapter number 8, and chapter name is clothes we wear. Okay, now start. Here is the intro. We need clothes to cover our body. Why we need clothes? We need clothes to cover our body. Clothes protects our body from heat, cold and dust. Is that clear, students? Clothes protects our body from heat, cold and dust. We should always wear neat and clean clothes. Clean clothes keep us healthy. Clean clothes keeps us healthy. Clothes make us look smart. Clothes also make us look smart. And now we start the chapter. First question is here, why we need clothes? I already explained this one. We need clothes to cover our body. Clothes protect us from heat, cold, rain and dust. Clothes make us look smart. And we wear a different types of clothes in a different festivals and seasons also. And here is on the next page, page number 60. Here first topic is different types of clothes. Boys and girls wear different types of clothes. Girls like to wear skirts, tops and frocks. Boys like to wear shirts, shorts and trousers. My mother wears a sari at home. My father wears a shirt and trouser to go to office. And next topic, clothes for different season. We wear clothes for different season. We wear clothes according to the seasons and occasions. We wear clothes according to the seasons and occasions. Here is a one girl. She described here on thing. She is a needy. She lives in Delhi. This is her drawing book. Let's see what she and her family are wearing in this drawing. She make a drawing book and in her family members. Visit to grandparents' house in Rajasthan. We wear cotton clothes in summers. Which clothes? Cotton clothes in summers. Cotton clothes keeps us cool. We get cotton from cotton plants. Why we wear cotton clothes in summers? Yes, cotton clothes keeps us cool. And where we get cotton? From cotton plants. And here which are the cotton clothes? Frock, t-shirts, shorts, skirts, shirts, etc. And here is a holiday in Shimla. We wear woolen clothes in winters. Now we describe a woolen clothes in a winter season. We wear woolen clothes in winters. Woolen clothes keeps our body warm. Woolen clothes keep our body warm. We get wool from sheep. Where we get wool? We get wool from sheep. Picnic at India Gate. Now we describe the rainy season. Which season? Rainy season. We wear raincoat and gum boots in rainy season. What we wear in rainy seasons? Yes, raincoat and gum boots. A raincoat keeps us dry. We also carry an umbrella. We also use an umbrella in rainy seasons And now festivals and special occasions. I am describing here festivals and special occasions. What we wear in festivals. We all wear colorful and fancy clothes on special occasions like birthday parties, festivals and weddings. What we wear in the festivals? Yes, we wear fancy and colorful clothes. Some like to dress up in silk clothes. Some are like silk. They are wearing a silk clothes. They also like to wear jewelry. They also like to wear jewelry in the festivals and special occasions. And how can we being a wise student? Yes, there are many people who do not have clothes to wear. Help such those pupils to give them clothes. Sometimes people wear special clothes to work. Sometimes people wear special clothes to work. Yes, it is their uniform. Students, you also wear uniform. Yes, it helps them to work comfortably. It helps them to make comfortably. Children also wear a uniform to school. It makes them look active and smart. Uniform to each school is a different. When we wear the uniform, it describes which thing? Okay, we are a equal. It makes them active. Uniform make them active, smart and equal. Is that clear, students? And do you know, students, in the earlier times, past times, people used to cover themselves. People used to cover themselves with leaves and animal skins. With leaves and animal skins, because they didn't learn about clothes. They don't know about clothes. What is a clothes? And they different types of clothes. You also know. Clear, students? Clothes, about clothes. Okay. And now exercise on page number 63. Here is a tick the correct options. You give them answer. Yes. And first one is we wear dash clothes in winter. Cotton or woolen? Yes, woolen. Second one is cotton clothes keeps our body cool. Third, we wear dash in summers. We wear dash in summers, cotton clothes. First answer is the woolen. Second one is cotton clothes keeps our body cool. And third one is we wear cotton clothes in summer. Cotton clothes in summer. And fourth one is we wear dash into school. Uniform. Which thing? What do you wear? Yes, uniform. Neat and clean clothes make us look shabby and smart. Yes, smart. Thank you.